Writing you this letter from some old hotel. I can feel the distance between us, from the Spanish Steps to the Liberty Bell. I know the angels have seen us, they can see us, baby. They see you down on 7th Avenue, while you're just hanging by a thread. And I'm sitting in a lonely room without a view, wishing I was there with you instead. Won't you walk through this world with me? Walk through the world, over the miles of mystery. Walk through this world with me. I'm staring out across the rooftops, babe. I've seen the writing on the wall, heard a little thunder at the seventh wonder, and everything is bound to rise and fall. But that's all. Won't you walk through this world with me? Walk through the world, over the mountains, in the shining sea. Walk through this world with me. Walk on, walk on, walk on, walk on, yeah. Walk, 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 yeah. Let me get this ringing out of my ears. Let me get these stars out of my eyes. 'Cause I just wanna look back over all the years with you right there standing by my side. Well, could you just walk through the world with me? Walk through the world, over the miles of mystery. Walk through this world with me. Hey, walk through the world with me. Walk through the world, over the mountains, in the shining sea.